Welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you've never been here before, to join the family, hit the subscription button below. If you've been here before, welcome. Guess what? X-Pression just birthed a new product called Boho Curl. Boho Curl comes in different colors. The length of Boho Curl is 60 inches. The gram is 240 grams. Boho Curl is a pre-stretch product that has coil at the tip. With Boho Curl, you don't need hot water set. So today, I'm going to be using X-Pression Boho Curl to do a knotless braid with coil at the tip. So let's roll into the processes. So I'm using X-Pression Boho Curl color 139. So like I said, it has coil at the tip, no need for hot water sets. It comes ready-made with coil at the tip and it's a pre-stretched product. So I'm doing knotless braid with it. So just get out some strands. You section the hair, the base of the hair into 4 at the back. Then add some jam. So add some jam to secure the hair and make it shine. Jam usually makes the hair last longer, usually makes the hair look neat, so it's important to add jam to the natural hair before you add extension to it. So I'm doing a feed-in right now. So I'm gonna do a box braid all through to the coil part of the hair. I'll stop before the coil part of the hair. So that's the box braid, that's the coil. So I'm gonna do this process all the way to the top, so just keep watching. Please, like I said, if you're new, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Drop your comment on the comment section below and give this video a thumbs up. So it's the same processes all the way to the top, and do not forget to always add your jam to the hair to make the hair look neat, nice, and let me use the word gorgeous. So for all the queens out there looking for a sleek, beautiful braid with coil product, X-Pression Boho Curl is perfect for styles like that. It's the best for braid with coil hairstyle because it's a pre-stretched braid. It comes ready-made. You don't need to stress yourself stretching, coil and put in hot water. This is ready-made, so you guys should go for it. It's actually super cute. So I'm actually laying our edges with jam to make her look sleek. Yeah. So mousse is usually good for braids. You use mousse on your braid to make it last longer, to secure the braid and make it look neat. So it is actually very important. After braiding, you always use your mousse and your oil to make it look neat, shine, and beautiful. I just added a little mousse to the coil to detangle it, and that is the end result. So voila, we are done. subscribe, share with your family and friends, give the video a thumbs up, like, drop your comments. Please, if you have any difficulties making hair, or you have a problem achieving any style, you could always drop your comments. Then I'm here to solve any problem about hair with you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.